Chief Operating Officer with FMSI, and we are often asked about the branch of the future. And what we've found is that nobody really seems to agree on what the branch of the future is going to look like, but we do all agree that it's not going to look like the branch of today. And so whether you are looking at transitioning to a universal model, for instance, or implementing personal teller machines, the real critical piece that you have to look at is your people, your staff. How are you going to transition from a traditional model that you might have today to, say, perhaps a universal model in the future? And that's where our Omnix Staff Scheduler can come in and assist you. It can help you with the critical things of how many people do you need in this new environment? What are the right people to put in the right places as well? And then, of course, identifying idle time so that you can use that time and train your staff to make sure they are more sales focused and better able to handle the branch of the future. So be sure to check out our Omnix Staff Scheduler to help transform your branch from traditional model to the branch of the future.